This trail rider coming at you. I'm going to start off with this is kind of a rant. I normally have used Streamyards for I don't know how many years now, and I was on a special deal with them. And realistically, I was only paying like $10 a month because that was the way it was done. All of a sudden, I get an email. All of our accounts prices are increasing. Those that use StreamYard, you may want to look at your billing. It went from what I was paying was $10 a month, which is a special deal. It was supposed to have been not changed, to $45 a month for StreamYard, for live streaming. I can live stream into YouTube for free. Well, you can have 10 people and you can do 1080 videos. I shoot in 4K. 1080 is kind of old school. So I was pissed off enough that, well, I got rid of them. Afterwards, they send you, when you click to remove your account, you go through about 6 different boxes, and they will give you 30% off 6 months or whatever. Piss on it, because I don't live stream that much in order to spend that much money on a stupid program. I can live stream on my computer or through my phone into my YouTube channel for free. So anyway, that's enough of that. And I hope Gage from StreamYard gets this, because if it wasn't for us when we first started out, he wouldn't have StreamYard the way it is now. But anyway, I'm going to show you my current project. This is a Grando, and the body got destroyed by my fault. I had this motor sitting around. I don't know if it's any good. We'll find out. It's a brand new motor. I put it in it. Obviously I got tires. You notice there's no body on it. And these are Velcro. These are for Velcro. I haven't cut this one off yet, because I am putting a pickup body on it, which will be here, I don't know, a few days. It's a generic body, but I'm gonna put a pickup body. Then I decided, I don't know if I'm going to regret this or not, I ordered another set of these tires. These things are so awesome. I ordered another set. They were $55 through Amazon with taxes and all that. So I ordered another set of these tires, and I'm going to put them on here. Then these tires here, I'm not sure where I'm going with them. Oh, it's possible what I may end up doing, I ordered another set of these, is put them on the Blazer and put these tires on the Grando. And I'm thinking that's what may end up happening, because I measured them. They're almost the same. So there'll be an offset to them. They'll stick out a little bit. These stick out the Blazer anyway. So I ordered another set of these. I'm going to probably end up putting them on a Blazer. I just decided. I was going to put them on that truck, but we're going to put these beadlocks and these tires on here. But what I'm waiting to see when I get the bodies, how these tires look on it. These tires look good. I'm going to leave it alone and deal with it, because it doesn't I don't use this truck. I figured out why it's so quiet. They have fine mesh gears in here. This doesn't have coarse gearing in it, in this pinion or the spur gear here. When I changed out the motor, I saw that. That's why these things are so stupid quiet. This thing is so quiet when it runs. So I'm going to wait and see, but I did order another set of these tires, and it's possible I'm going to put them right on the Blazer. Then pull those off. Then I'm not sure where I'm going to go with those. I may, just because, stick them on the Ford. Stick them on this truck and pull these tires off. I actually got an extra set of tires here, sitting here too. But these are like super swampers. They're chunky, clunky tires. I ordered them, and I don't know. I don't care for them that much, but they're sitting there. But so I'll probably take those tires and move them up to here. And this truck here actually runs. It's like I've had it forever. I just don't use it that much. So put them up onto this truck, and then put those tires on the Blazer. These things are crazy how good they are. This thing, it widened it, so it made the truck a little more stable too. So, but anyway, guys, that's all I gotta say. I had to put that rant in there. It kind of irked me because I've been with Streamyard for 8 years. All of a sudden, you get an email. Well, if you don't respond, we're going to automatically charge you $45 and some odd cents a month for your live stream. But you get 1080p and all this other crap that don't matter to me. So, no more. I will find another streaming service. It's for what I do. I'm not spending $45. You do that times 12. That's a lot of flipping money. So, Gage, hope your StreamYard goes away. And I follow guys that use that account. And hopefully they check their emails, because if they don't, they're going to get a big thing when they go to see their monthly statement. So, anyway, guys, I had to put that rant in there. So I will see you guys in the next one. As always, this is Trail Rider 570 saying good night and goodbye and God bless, and I'll see you in the next video.